Detail engineering survey services in Noida Extension play a crucial role in the development and construction of various projects. These services involve the accurate measurement and mapping of the land, which helps in the planning and design phase of a project. With the help of advanced technology and equipment, detail engineering survey services ensure that all the necessary data is collected and analyzed to produce accurate and reliable results. One of the key aspects of detail engineering survey services in Noida Extension is the Scon design. Scon design refers to the creation of detailed drawings and plans that showcase the layout and structure of a project. This includes the positioning of buildings, roads, utilities, and other elements. The Scon design is essential as it helps in visualizing the project and ensures that all the necessary components are properly integrated. The detail engineering survey services in Noida Extension provide accurate and precise measurements for the Scon design. This is done by using advanced surveying equipment such as DGPS, total stations, and laser scanners. These tools enable surveyors to collect data with high accuracy and efficiency. The collected data is then processed and analyzed to create detailed drawings and plans for the project. The Scon design plays a crucial role in the construction phase of a project. It serves as a guide for contractors and workers, helping them understand the layout and structure of the project. This ensures that the construction process is carried out smoothly and efficiently. Moreover, the Scon design also helps in identifying any potential issues or challenges that may arise during the construction phase, allowing for timely adjustments and solutions. In conclusion, detail engineering survey services in Noida Extension are essential for the successful planning and execution of construction projects. Services for detail engineering surveys in Noida Extension are essential to the planning and execution of numerous projects. These services include precise land measurement and mapping, which is beneficial during the project's planning and design phases. Detail engineering survey services make sure that all the required data is gathered and evaluated to produce precise and dependable results with the use of cutting-edge technology and equipment. The Scon design is one of the most important components of detail engineering survey services in Noida Extension. Scon design is the process of creating intricate plans and drawings that demonstrate how a project will be laid out and constructed. This pertains to the placement of structures, highways, utilities, and other features. The Scon design is crucial since it makes it easier to visualize the project and guarantees that all required components are correctly connected. Accurate and exact measurements are provided for the Scon design by the detail engineering survey services in Noida Extension. Modern surveying tools like DGPS, total stations, and laser scanners are used to do this. With the use of these technologies, surveyors can efficiently and accurately collect data.